Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel in SQL Basic. So friends, in this video we will see system databases that are supported in SQL Server. So basically system databases are the standard databases that exist in every instance of SQL Server. So these databases contain a specified set of tables that are used to store server specified configuration and templates for other databases. So in short, we can tell that these databases contain a temporary storage area required to query the databases. So SQL Server contains the following system databases and data. First one is master. So this is the default databases when you start the SQL Server. So in the context you will see the master databases that is default. And the second one is TempDB. Third one is model. Fourth one is MSDB. Fourth resource. And fifth one is repose server. Sixth one is repose server TempDB and seventh one is distribution. So these are all the system databases of SQL Server. So the first one is master database and it is a default database as I said previously, and it works that it consists of system tables that keep track of the server installation as a whole and all the other databases. And the second one is TempDB. The TempDB database is a temporary database that holds all the temporary tables and store procedures. All the temporary tables and results generated by the group by and distinct clauses are stored in the TempDB database. And one important point to notice is that a backup and restore operations are not allowed on TempDB. And the third one is model database. The model database acts as a template or a prototype for new databases. So whenever a database is created, the contents of the model database are copied to the new database. And the fourth one is MSDB. The MSDB database supports SQL Server Agent, which is a tool to schedule periodic activities of SQL Server such as backup and database mailing. And the fifth one is resource database. The resource database is a read-only hidden system database that contains all the system objects such as system-defined procedures and views included with SQL Server Agent. So by design, it is not visible in the Object Explorer window of SQL Server Management Studio. And the sixth one is Repose Server. The Repose Server database is installed along with the installation of SQL Server reporting services. So this database stores the metadata and object-related information used by reporting services. And the seventh one is Repose Server TempDB. The Repose Server TempDB database also installed with the installation of SQL Server reporting services. And the last one is distribution. A distribution database is created when the application is configured on an instance of SQL Server. So friends, thanks for watching. So please like, share and subscribe my channel. So in my next video, we will really start to code in our database by using SQL Server Management Studio. Till then, bye and take care.